When we say communication, what comes up first in your mind? Communication is, is a directional function. It is simplified act for transferring our information from one place, person, group, or to another. Every communication involves a sender, receiver, and a receipt. Why nature of communication is important in workplace? Because good communication, it is the essential tool in achieving productivity and maintaining a strong working relationship at all levels of the organization. Employers who invest time and energy into delivering clear lines of communication will rapidly build trust to increase the productivity of our output and morale in general. The power of good communication is important in workplace because it is an important skills in any environment with human interactions. However, when it comes to communication in workplace, it is a good common and integral for a business success. Communication is the one of the most important elements in the workplace and especially in general. In workplace, communication isn't just about mitigating conflict. Although that is an important benefit of communicating effectively. Good communication is an important factor in client relationship. Profitability, team effectiveness, and employers engagement. By creating the good communication, manager can easily understand the skills, talents of their employers. Then the manager will give clear instructions to the people that best suited for the task that he or she given. And that will increase the overall effectiveness of the particular project. By achieving a good communication, we should follow the rules in the proper way so that we should share our knowledge, thoughts, and idea to our co-workers, to our managers, so that they will know our side. And that should be all. Thank you.